Yeah, Gretchen, you guys gotta get this.
I think we're fucked.
It's a Toyota, man.
No, don't worry, we got beer.
No, don't drink my beer! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We went that time.
No!
Oh,
Got beer.
it'll fire. It's okay.
Well, fish bowl.
That would be funnier than shit.
Our batteries are going dead.
Already?
Yeah. We got too many.
Well, it's fun while it lasted.
Do you hear the frogs? They're pissed.
Oh, hell, look at that.
Come on, Betsy. Fire up. Dude, what sucks is my cigar is in my cell phone. Hey!
Hey.
Well, we'll go down to the mini mart.
Uh,
We'll go down to
hold
PD.
on.